Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com and another S2000 video for you. Why do we have so many S2000 videos? Because I used to own two of them. And today we're going to talk about a very special one that's on for bid now on Bring a Trailer. This is a 2009, which is the last model year with only 91 miles. Yes, not 90,000, not 9,000, not 900. But 91. Remember, if you like what you see on this channel, remember to smash that subscribe button, like and share this video so our channel can grow, and leave a comment below what you think this car is going to sell for. So this car is on Bring a Trailer right now. It's owned by Honda race car driver Graham Rahal, who owns a collection of Hondas, including more than one S2000. Now, if you don't know Graham, he's a Honda IndyCar driver. He is the son of Bobby Rahal, and he's 30 years old. Who knows? You might even know him as Courtney Force's husband. Now, Graham is a big car enthusiast. He has a car collection of his own, and one of the cars in this collection is a 2009 S2000. I believe this car is not even titled from what I read. And now, if you can see, this car is the final year in production here in the United States. They only made 355 copies in 2009. And here you can see the mileage showing only 90 miles on the odometer. The auction says 91 miles, so maybe he drove it 1 mile to take pictures for the auction. I don't know. But it is mint as can be. This is a brand new time capsule car. Now, the auction is going to end in a few days. Keep in mind, whenever that auction ends, there's a 5% buyer's premium up to $5,000. Here's the original window sticker from 2009. You can see there's really no options for the car. And he already bought this car on Bring a Trailer back in November for $48,000. This is a 2000 model S2000. That's the first year here in the United States. And this car only had 1,000 miles. I believe it had 1,001 miles on it. So this car just sold for $48,000 on Bring a Trailer in November. And everybody wondered who the owner was. And Graham had revealed that, I believe, on his Instagram account. So he does have a first year S2000 and then a last year S2000, which he's selling now, the black one. So I'm wondering what that's going to go for. If this car was $48,000 with 1,000 miles, how much will a last year '09 go with 91 miles? It's going to go for big bucks, so it should be interesting to watch. It's great for collectors because, you know, you put that car in a climate control warehouse somewhere and you'll probably make big money one day, but it's terrible for enthusiasts because, unfortunately, with 91 miles, that car will never be driven. Just like this 1,000-mile car probably hasn't accumulated any more miles since Graham bought it in November. But an exciting time for S2000s. I think this definitely helps the S2000 market, that these cars are going up in value. If you follow the channel, you know I had a 2006 S2000 with 11,000 miles, and before that a 2004 S2000, so they were both AP2s with 9,000 miles. And I'm telling you, these are a joy to drive. This one's going to go for real big bucks, but there are still S2000s out there in that $15,000 to $25,000 range that you can drive and not worry about the mileage, and there's plenty out there for $30,000 or $40,000 that are low mileage collectibles. But drive these cars. If I get another one, I would probably get a higher mileage car so I can just drive it and not worry about devaluing the car and just enjoy it. They're very reliable cars, and I think the enthusiast community, not just the S2000 community, is finally recognizing these cars for what a blast they are to drive. They're, you know, if you get a low mileage one that's highly maintained, they should be very reliable. Check the top, of course. Now here's Graham's car from underneath. It's spotless. You can eat off it. And this car is still under factory warranty, believe it or not. So I've read different stories on that, but I believe that it is still under factory warranty, and it's just going to be great for somebody to own. I was going to say own and drive, but I don't think they're going to drive. So remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and leave a comment below what you think this car is going to sell for. I'll come back to you in a few days with the final results of the auction. There are a couple days left, so I'll put the link to the auction below and follow it and bid away. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.